Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge with this Swapnil. In previous two videos I have explained about how you can create an account in a Databricks and how you can practice SQL and how you can explore a different tables, sample tables in a database, and it's absolutely free. Okay, so now in this video I will explain you about what if you want to download the data, then how you can download it. So let's so if you run this command, so you will get this data. Okay, now it's showing only 1000 records, and if you just click on here, it will be downloaded in CSV. Okay, but if you want to download it in Excel, from here you just click on a arrow and then you will get a two options, CSV and Excel. Again there is an option, you can download first 1000 records, or you want to download up to 5 GB, means data is very huge, so so that it's near about maybe 2 or 3 GB, so that's why it's saying that up to 5 GB. Again CSV, yeah, you can download up to means first 1000 records, or if you want to download, you can download total data. If you try to download total data, then it will it will take too much time. But what if you want to download 1000 record, then you have to just click on it and just click on first 1000, and from here what it will do, it will just download it in Excel. You have to just open it. If you see, let's try to go down, yeah, 1001. If you exclude the header, then it will be 1000 records. So this is how you can download. But again, what if you want to see the count, how much count they have, total records, then what you will do is you just apply count, and yeah, let's try to run this and let's see how much data they have. It has 4,09,825 records. So yeah, pretty huge. So if you download, then you have some patience if you want to download total records. Otherwise you can download 1000 or 2000, set the limit and download the data. Yeah, this is how you can download the data from the Databricks. Thank you. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.